Can you get her? Watch out, Nero. Here she comes. Like, why don't you put this thing in a playpen? Seriously. It's exercise for Nero, though. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh no, she got away again. Now what are you gonna do?
If you learned how to crawl proper, Tegan, you could chase after her faster.
I'm coming for you. Dun, dun, dun. There you are. I found you again. Nero, you're a nice kitty not to attack Tegan. Even though she's teased you. Oh, there she is again. Oh. I'm gonna get some exercise for Tegan and exercise for the cat. Oh, Nero, please don't do that. Tegan out.